Hey, welcome to today's quick English lesson. Today, we are learning about the simple present tense. So, what is the simple present? We use it to talk about three things. Number one, habits, things we do regularly. For example, I drink coffee every morning. Number two, facts, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. Number three, routines, things we do again and again. For example, she goes to school every day. Now, let's talk about something very important. It's called the third person S. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add the letter S to the verb. I work, but he works, she works, it works. Okay, now let's talk about negative sentences. This is how we say something is not true. The formula is simple. Subject, do not, base verb, or the short form, don't. For example, I do not like spicy food, or I don't like spicy food. Same meaning. They do not watch TV at night, or they don't watch TV at night. Same meaning. Now, remember our friend, the third person S? It shows up here too. With he, she, or it, we use does not, or the short form, doesn't. He does not eat meat, or he doesn't eat meat. She does not drive to work, or she doesn't drive to work. And again, very important, after doesn't, the verb stays in its base form. Not, she doesn't eats. Yes, she doesn't eat. No S on the verb. Okay, now let's make questions. There are two types. Type 1, yes or no questions. We use do or does at the beginning. With I, you, we, they, use do. Do you like pizza? Answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. With he, she, it, use does. Does she play tennis? Answer, yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Important tip. When you use does, the verb goes back to its base form. Not, does she eats? Yes, does she eat? No S on the verb. Okay, now let's make WH questions. These start with words like what, where, when, who, why, and how. Listen to these examples. What do you eat for breakfast? Where does he live? When do they wake up? Why does she study English? Notice the pattern. WH word, do or does, subject, base verb. Let's practice. Write some simple present sentences or questions in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.